I guarantee you, if I try to put another brand out there for a machining center right now, there'd be some extreme pushback from the machinists on the floor. I'm Joel Brown, founder of Bullseye Industries, Inc. We like to call ourselves a production machine shop, but we also do lower quantity work for our customers to service those needs. What we see with our customers is they're looking for quality parts delivered on time. That's everything. Price doesn't matter if lines are going down. Business can be challenging, and we go through the highs and lows of the economy, and there's times that we kind of have to pause and reflect. And one of the things we talk about is the right job on the right machine with the right machinist. Makino entered our shop 8 years ago. We've had other machines in our shop, and when Makinos came in, it was the reliability, the holding the tolerances, the speed, all them things come together. When we talk about stuff, we don't think about a Makino breakdown. I don't even know if that ever happens, and if it does, it's never more than a day, without a doubt.
For the size that running here with a 40 paper, I can easily beat what I used to run with a 50 paper holder. The biggest thing is speed and rigidity. I can push these to the max and have no issues with anything.
Today, I can say Makino machines are so good, they don't need a salesman. Let me stop and slow down and try to take a look what's going on, whether it be growth in the economy or some struggling times. When I look at what the Makino machining centers have done for us, the jobs we put on the machines, and the quality of our skilled machinists on the floor, it's kind of hard not to get emotional and kind of be proud of what you put together. Shop. We machine. That's what we do.